Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy low twisted hairstyle. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face, and we're going to take a small chunk of hair from the end of the eyebrow to the top of the head. Divide this section in half, and we're going to wrap the bottom section over the top section. Now this time we're going to add a chunk of hair to that bottom section and then wrap it over. And then we're going to keep adding a chunk of hair to that bottom strand and wrap it over the top strand. Make sure that you angle this twist along the middle of the back of the head once you reach the ears. And we're going to carry on twisting the hair until we get to the middle of the back of the head. When you reach the middle of the head, stop adding hair and just finish off that twist by wrapping the sections around one another and secure it off with a clear elastic band. Clip this out of the way for later, and we're just going to repeat the same steps on the opposite side. So make sure you secure both of your twists off with some elastic bands. And now, to make sure that these twists stay nice and secure, starting with that left hand one, we're going to hold it to the head and then just slip a few bobby pins along the length of the twist just to keep it still. Now, taking the opposite twist on the right hand side, we're going to do the same thing, so hold it to the head and slip a few bobby pins through the centre of that twist to keep it nice and secure, and then we're just going to slightly overlap that twist on the left hand side. Grab some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Spray it all over the top of the head and the twists, and then we're just going to pinch and pull at the crown. And then, working on those twists, we're just going to grab the very edge of the top of the twists and gently tease them out to give them more volume. And again, just repeat this on the opposite side. Okay, so taking the twist from the left, we're going to bring it all the way over to the right hand side and pin it to the head with a couple of bobby pins. Then take the twist from the right hand side, we're going to pull it across and pin it to the bottom left hand side of the head. And if you have any tail ends left over, all we're going to do is bring these underneath that little bun we've just created, and we're going to secure these together with another clear elastic band. And then just make sure on the last turn of that elastic band you don't pull the ends all the way through, so you should have a little loop. Now just tuck that loop up and under the bun and secure it with a few more bobby pins. Pinch and pull at that bun so you've got a lot more volume. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.